Hello everyone! Today I'm going to do a science experiment called explosion! But before you do this, you need to ask a grown-up for help to do this because you cannot make a mistake to avoid mistakes, because if you make a mistake, it's not good because you might eat this. No eating this. If you put your eyes, that's not good. You might get blind. So before we start, I'm going to tell you the ingredients. First, you need baking soda, vinegar, and dish soap, and food coloring. So first, I'm going to add the baking soda. This might get a little messy. That's okay. It's okay. Your stuff might get a little messy. That's okay. So now I'm gonna put vinegar and these other stuff into this measuring cup. But if you want to know how much you need to put, just put. So ask a grown-up to mark this or put a rubber band. Okay? So now I'm gonna first I'm gonna put this vinegar. Careful with this. If you're little, you can't use it. You can't put it by yourself. I can put it in because I'm big. But careful, you have to watch out for the line because you might make a mistake. You have to watch out for the line, okay? So now I'm gonna add the dish soap. You can use any color. It's okay if it's not a color or if it's just ordinary or regular. It doesn't matter because color, it matters. It doesn't matter what color you have. You can use green, like the Oz. You can use any color, even if it's not a color, even if it's just ordinary, because it doesn't matter. So now I'm gonna pour it. I'm gonna put it into here, and now I'm gonna add the food coloring. We're gonna add red because it might look like a volcano. I'm gonna pour 3 drops of food coloring. So 1, 2, 3. Now we are gonna mix it up. So I'm gonna stir it up. I'm gonna mix it. Make sure do not mix it too hard because it might make a mistake. This might go all around the place. Are you ready for the fun part? Make sure to hit like button and subscribe. Are you ready for the fun part? 3, 2, 1. Amazing! Isn't it? Make sure to watch my other video. I'm making a lot of videos. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.